Welcome back to the shop, guys. We're going to take a little bit of time now and get a little head start on a different project we have here. This 58 Chevy pickup over here is going to get all blown apart tonight. We got a new cab coming, should be here in about a month. Brand new Dynacorn cab for the thing with doors and everything. The box is already brand new except the fenders, and we shortened the frame last week. Got a little bit of footage of that. Pulled the box off, measured it up, spliced the frame, and got the box sitting back on. So right now, we're gonna get the box off of here on this cart and out of the way, brace the cab up a little bit, get that off on this cart so we can get hauled out of here. And we're gonna blow the whole frame apart tonight so we can get it out for sandblasting, get it back here, and put some aftermarket suspension in the thing. Good. Ooh, I got that clamp on there yet. One. Watch your feet. Guys, well, that pretty much wraps that up. We got the whole chassis blown apart on this 58 Chevy pickup. Got the front end laying here, rear end back there. The springs are off the rear end, and I think I'm gonna end up using the straight tube axle for a gasser project of mine in the future. So we're gonna leave the springs on it for now. Mike's loading the cab on his trailer right now, and I'm gonna load this frame on my trailer shortly so I can get it off for sandblasting, get it back and put the new suspension in it, get the thing rolling again. So we'll get this loaded up and clean up the mess afterwards. Alright Guys, so last night we finished up tearing apart the frame, blowing everything apart here, and we basically got the chassis loaded on my trailer for sandblasting and the cab loaded up on the owner's trailer, Mike's trailer, so he could take the thing home so we can wait for the new one from Dynacorn. The old one was pretty rough, as you guys could tell. So all that left was a giant mess in here last night, and I really didn't feel like cleaning it up last night, so this is basically what we have left here. Just a big pile of rusty parts and old brackets. So I'm going to finish cleaning this stuff up here this morning and move on to something else while we're waiting for a new cab and the frame to be sandblasted. Interesting. Alright guys, well that's pretty much going to wrap up the first video on the 58 because technically there's nothing left here to work on. Everything's shipped out to where it belongs and we got about a month before the new cab comes in. All we have left is a little pile of parts to put away and a couple axles to pull the wheels off and hide those somewhere for a month. But this is all a good thing because now it opens up another spot here so we can get the T-bucket out and wrap that thing up, which we will be doing shortly. And in case you guys didn't see that, we got the V8 in it. Tri-power on, Lakester headers on it. We'll shoot another video on that shortly, but for now, thanks for watching guys. Till next time.